This video is freeware, so you can use it as you wish.
Ben, stand by for a moment. I'm going to get back to you, but we have on the line Luis Moreno Ocampo. He's the chief prosecutor for the International Criminal Court. Just to remind our viewers, on June 27th of this year, the ICC issued an arrest warrant against Muammar Gaddafi. We're not sure, Mr. Ocampo, where Muammar Gaddafi is right now, but what is the position of the ICC now with regards to the Libyan leader? What is the next step?
No, there are three arrest warrants in the Libya case. One is against Muammar Gaddafi, but another one is against Saif Gaddafi, and the last one is against al-Sanusi. We understand, we have confidential sources confirming the public information that Saif was arrested, and that is very important news. And we are planning tomorrow to discuss with the transitional authorities how to manage the issue, because normally Saif should be transferred to the International Criminal Court. The crimes committed by Saif are crimes against humanity. So the crimes against Libyan people affect the entire world, and that's why the International Criminal Court intervened. And that's why we believe it's very important that he was arrested, and we'll discuss tomorrow with the transitional authorities how to manage to surrender him to the International Criminal Court.
So the plan is tomorrow to discuss with the transitional authorities the transfer of Saif al-Islam Gaddafi, one of the sons of Muammar Gaddafi, to The Hague. Is that correct?
Exactly, because there is an arrest warrant pending against Saif for his participation in crimes against humanity against Libyan people since February 2011.
So the discussion is tomorrow. Is there any timeline that is emerging in all of this for Saif al-Islam to make it to The Hague?
The International Criminal Court investigated these three persons. We, in accordance with our evidence, Muammar, Saif, and al-Sanusi, who was the head of the intelligence, were the most responsible for the crimes committed, and these are the persons who should appear before the judges of the International Criminal Court. The Libyan authorities had to decide how to manage the other cases. For instance, we have not another warrant against Muhammad, the other son, the eldest son of Gaddafi, who apparently also is captured. So that is not a person to be transferred to the ICC, and that's why that is a different discussion for the transitional government, how to manage other cases. What they decide how to manage is their responsibility.
Can I ask you?
But Saif, Muammar, Gaddafi, and al-Sanusi have to be surrendered to the ICC.
Can I ask you, the transitional authorities, have they assured you that Saif al-Islam is being treated well? Have they told you where he is being held in anticipation of his transfer to The Hague?
No, I not talked to them tonight. I received different confidential information from different sources confirming that he was arrested, and that is also public information now. So, no, we are trying to talk tomorrow with the transitional authorities how to manage this problem.
All right, Luis Moreno Ocampo, the chief prosecutor for the International Criminal Court, joining us live from The Hague with very important information there, with the hope that the transitional authorities in Libya will be able to work with the ICC, work out a plan for the transfer of one of the sons of Muammar Gaddafi, against whom an arrest warrant was issued at the ICC, Saif al-Islam Gaddafi. No confirmation on the whereabouts of Muammar Gaddafi. We'll continue to follow the story. We'll be right back.
See perhaps also. Info evidence, 24th April 2005. After the first and the second contact. See, if possible, these videos. Only 22 days passed. And then